Get excited about the 2018 Honda Odyssey. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a power seat, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.